I'm Adam Lockhart, a lecturer in Media Art and Archives at Duncan of Jordanstone College of Art and Design. I work within a multidisciplinary team in the Centres of Practice-Based Research and the 3D Visualisation Lab. My research focuses on the preserving, restoring and re-exhibiting time-based artworks like performance, film, video, audio art and installation work. Many of these artworks are at risk of being lost because of the technology, which has become outdated, or they were originally intended to be temporary. The research began in 2004 with the Rewind project funded by the Arts and Humanities Research Council. Our goal was to preserve important British video artworks through the 1970s and 80s, through which we set up the Media Preservation Lab, now one of the top labs in the UK and Europe for conserving media art. Recent funding from the AHRC and internal investment has helped us stay at the forefront of this area. Over the past 20 years, we've secured funding for numerous projects leading to national and international exhibitions, screenings, publications, and we have expanded our time-based archives. These include Italian video art, expanded cinema, European women's video art, and the establishment of the DeMarco Digital Archive and the Alistair MacLennan Archive. We've collaborated with major organisations both in the UK and internationally, including the Tate and the National Galleries of Scotland. Recently, in the 3D Visualisation Lab, we've been exploring new ways to recreate and archive time-based artworks using virtual reality. By combining our media preservation techniques with motion capture, animation, 3D photogrammetry and audio technology, we make these artworks more accessible and give them a new life. These advancements were made possible through InGame, a UKRI-funded project in collaboration with the Universities of Dundee, Abertay and St Andrews. By establishing the Media Preservation Lab, we've saved important video art from being lost, allowing future generations to experience these pioneering works. Our collaborations have helped us expand our impact, leading to international exhibitions and publications. Our integration of virtual reality and 3D visualisation breathes new life into these artworks, opening them to new audiences and reshaping how we engage with digital art.